Hello, welcome back to another episode of Mill Creek Range. Today I have a box on the table with a new little toy. So since I do some shooting with NCOWS, which is the National Congress of Old West Shootist, during the summer months, we'll say July, August, and September, we go to rimfire. And also we dress down, so we don't have to dress up all inside of the more period correct cowboy gear, and we just come out, shoot, have fun. Well, last summer I kind of missed it because of my back surgery, and so I've got 3 different 22 rifles, but none of them really cowboy related. So I picked up this Henry. It is a model H100 1LL. So that's model H001LL. It's got the big loop on it, and it's one I had looked at, and I've got it with the 18-inch barrel. So more of a carbine size, and I have taken it out. And have shot it, and it shoots very, very well. And I'll pair it up with my little Heritage Rough Rider. I actually have 2 of those with those very poorly simulated black pearly plastic grips. But hey, it is what it is. It does shoot, and does shoot quite well. So anyway, that'll make a good pairing. Does have the big loop lever. So let me bring the camera in here closer so you can see a little bit better, and we'll go over some of the features. Okay, so the features, it's got nice, I believe this is walnut. Not sure what species, I should have read, but I think it's English walnut if I'm not mistaken, but don't go to the bank up on that. Like I said, it's got a 18-inch barrel. Now, one thing I really wasn't sure about was this front sight hood, and I really had never have shot a rifle with a sight hood before, and I was going to take it off, which it just slides off, but you know, it really works extremely well. So I'm just going to leave it. It holds, I think, 15 long rifle. So this one here will shoot shorts, longs, and long rifle. I believe that there's it. But hey, who really shoots shorts? So long rifle, it holds 15, 16 with one in the chamber. It's got the big loop, and the rear sight adjustable. I did work up on the adjusting the side. It was shooting a little bit to the right when I purchased it, and got it shooting pretty straight now. One thing I did read up on is this, what we would call kind of the body, the frame, or this area here. This is just a cover, and there is a optional you can purchase from Henry Outfitters, I believe it is, a saddle ring cover, and I'm thinking about maybe doing that, upgrade to it and go with a saddle ring, because I've my Winchester model 94 AE trapper model with the 16-inch barrel and 45 colt. It is a saddle ring model, and I think this would sort of give this one here a little bit more character with a saddle ring. And I think maybe in the future I may add a leather stock cover here with a few bullet loops to go along with it, and that should really dress it up pretty nice. Now, I did see, I was at a gun show last weekend, and on a table they had one just like this one, except it had an octagonal barrel. I really liked it. And thought, man, if I'd known that, I would have gotten the one with the octagonal barrel. But you know, this one here is very light. I don't remember exactly the weight of this one here, but I will weigh it and I will put it here inside of the video, inside of some text, let you know what the weight is. We'll say loaded and unloaded. So let's take this little puppy and do a little bit of shooting. See you shortly. Okay, so I'm sitting out here on the range. One thing I will go over is how smooth the action is up on these little Henrys. I bought 2 other ones before. The Golden Boys, octagonal barrel, gunmetal frame, 22 of course. Those was for my 2 oldest grandsons' Christmas presents. They were, I think, 14 and 16 at the time. And man, that was one thing that really impressed me, was how smooth the action right out of the box. Well, this one here is really no different. Now, I haven't done a side-by-side comparison between the two, but it's got a very nice, smooth action, and got an airplane flying over, so excuse that. But yeah, you know, enough talking. Let's do a little bit of shooting. Really puts them into a nice little group. So I think it's going to do fine at the Cowboy shoot. We'll have our first one this month, July. I think it's the 3rd Saturday of the month. So I'm looking forward to getting out and shooting this. I will dress up a little bit, but it's hot. It's hot, and the grass is growing like crazy too. It's been a chore just keeping the grass cut around here. But yeah, so this is chambers in 22 short, longs, and long rifle. So yeah, it just shoots all day. Okay, let's I got some nasty sodas, and I bought some, tried them out. They was new flavor. Yeah, I'll just drink straight corn whiskey rather than drinking that stuff. That was garbage. So we're going to dispose of them. Be right back. Okay, so I got my soda set up. Let's see how she does. Nice. I missed that one. And I missed it again. I'm pulling to the right. There we go. Well, come on now. Gee whiz. Ha. Let's see. And out. Oh, okay, well, I ain't got to worry about drinking them anymore anyhow. But fun little gun to shoot. It's already getting steamy. Come out here early morning to shoot, and yeah, had some audio difficulties. Got that figured out, but burned about an hour. Anyway, hope y'all having a good day. And yeah, just something, if if you have one, put it down inside of the comment section. If you're thinking about one, let me know which one that you're looking at. I'm not really too up on their larger models, like the 4570s and the 357s. These right here, rimfire, good little plinkers, good little shooters, inexpensive, I'll say. Not that bad of a purchase, and I'm well pleased with it. So, with that, keep your powder dry, and we hope to see you on down the trail sometime. See you next time. Bye now.